Good afternoon. It's March the 1st, 2017. Time to recap our trading for today and take a look at tomorrow. We'll start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance records, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. The market rallied on Trump's speech. Things are looking great. I don't know how high we're going to go. We start off this morning in the 75 calls. We told you to sell the 75 calls. Roll to the 2400 calls. Just a few moments ago, I told you to roll your 2400 calls to the 425 calls. And we'll see what happens. A strong market. I have no desire to get short. Tomorrow's news, jobless claims, 245. No one pays any attention to it. Natural gas inventories, probably less than 90. Don't have a number for that just yet. It'll kind of be a no-news situation. I imagine Asia will trade higher, catch up. If the market is going to turn, it'll turn in London. But I think in Globex you want to get long to see if we can go higher in Asia. And then London, down to what London's going to do. F1 is going to show nothing but buying. F2, nothing but buying. So the trade will be sell failure to take out and hold 2400. 4 to 6, sell 1. Let them get stops above 03, 9 to 10, 9 to 11, sell 2. On the buy side, 94, 96, buy 1. And 90 to 92, buy 2. Okay, treasuries have gotten whacked. Started yesterday, accelerated today. The Fed, yesterday afternoon, we spiked. We went 75% probability that the Fed will raise interest rates in March. Took us lower yesterday. Today, we're lower. The probability went to 80% today, so the market's playing for an interest rate increase in March. Up until yesterday, it was about in the 35% range. Definitely dealing with a B. So first sells 24 to 28. 31 to 03 for sell 2. On the buy side, 16 to 20. And then 9 to 13. Looking at the ZB, okay, 2024 is number 1. 2731, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. Picking up this area right there at 7. On the buy side, we've got support at 8 to 12. 1 to 5, buy 1. 21.25, buy 2. Gold made it up to our 1250 that we foresaw at least an hour before that happened. No reason to own gold. Treasury interest rates are going up. That's the safest investment, as gold is. But one thing, gold does not pay interest. What you've got in gold is gold. You can't eat it. Put it this way, you can't digest it, to be technically correct. So, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. And looking at the market, pretty square distribution right here. So can we take out and hold the 1250 area? A little higher in London, so 50.52, sell 1. 54.56, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make 44.46, buy 1. Really, I think the easier trade to see here is failure to take out and hold 1250. And 39 to 41, buy 2. Crude oil. The 1421, 1420, it is a trade. It's not nearly as good as our B's or our S's or retest failures or mean green trades. And the only thing it's playing off of is evening out in the pit. What I had going for me on the close was somebody bought that selling all the way from 87 all the way down. That's the only thing I had going for me. So I said I was going to flatten out, and I did. Got lucky. But we knew the selling started at 86, so I leaned against that high where the selling did start, and was fortunate and was able to get out. Okay, higher low, higher high. We might trade higher off the F1. Looking at the F2 screen, don't think we see the same picture. Got a B, and we look heavy, so again, maybe stops below 53 and a quarter. Maybe we are. So we're going to sell the buck to 25, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. Buy side, we'll play for 53.50, 53 and a quarter, buy 1. Don't have a lot of volatility to work with here. 52.75, 53, buy 2. So buying against 53, pretty comfortable with that. Selling 54s or better, pretty comfortable with that. And the euro is gradually ratcheting lower, but we do have pretty good buying days in it. It can rally, we can't forget that. Lower high, lower low, structure and everything still favors a sell. So we have a P in a down market. That's short cover. Okay, we're at 105.52, so selling 70 to 80, sell 1. 90 to the buck, sell 2. On the buy side, 105.25, buy 1. That's where we were this morning. 105 even, buy 2. Stronger than forecast. U.S. economy is what is holding the euro down. Hey, that's it for this March the 1st, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I am out of here. Thank you.